Plotagon Network. Welcome to school. Today we are going to be learning about presidents. Let's get started. This is Matthew Robertson. He is the president of Plotagon City. This is George Washington. He is the best American president. Mr. Scott, can I get something from the auditorium? Yes, you can. I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Oh, it's the fire alarm. Evacuate. Let's get outside. Okay. Few we can get back in. Classic Caillou, go to the principal's office. Classic Caillou, what brings you to my office? I pulled the fire alarm. Oh, Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're suspended for 2 weeks. I'm calling your parents. Hello, this is Boris Anderson. Hi Boris, your son pulled the fire alarm. He did what? Oh, thanks for telling me. I'm coming to pick him up. Where did he go? He ran away. Oh, he is going to be in so much trouble. Do. Classic Caillou, we are going home right now. Wah!
Oh, Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That is it, you're grounded for 2 weeks.
Wah!
That's what you get for being bad. Second punishment, pushing. Third and final punishment, grounding. Like I said, you're grounded for 2 weeks.
2 weeks later. Now that your suspension time is up, so I'm going to talk to your dad at home at the end of the day. Hi Scott. Follow me to the conference room. Alright, let's start. Is it true that your son has been too naughty? Yes, I regret to this. Is it true that you grounded your son too much? Yes, I regret that. I'm sorry, and your son are more expelled. Goodbye, please subscribe.